more than leisure. Tourism is nation building.
Bawat pisong nilalaan para sa turismo ay hindi nasasayang.
Bawat turista, katumbas ay tulong para sa ekonomiya.
Nakahatag og trabaho ug makasuporta sa pamilya.
Ang turismo nakapauswag ug nagpaugmad sa mga komunidad.
Ang turismo ay para sa atuang tanan na nagapaning kamot para mapalambo kini.
Gikan sa atong mga tour guides
At tayong mga nagtatrabaho sa restaurant,
Kaming mga kutseros,
at mga tourism journalists.
Para sa ating mga tourism frontliner,
dua sa ka-industriya, ang manuruso kabiyayan do 7 milyon ka Pilipino.
In 2024, Philippine tourism contributed 3.86 trillion pesos to our economy, surpassing pre-pandemic levels. That's 8.9% of our GDP. These are not abstract numbers. These are livelihoods bringing real change to our communities. Domestic travel remains our core strength. Filipinos took 134 million trips across the country, with domestic spending at 3.16 trillion. A full recovery and a sign that Filipinos truly love the Philippines.
We're also expanding our portfolio to include halal tourism and Muslim-friendly tourism, as well as sports and film tourism.
Golf tourism and health and wellness, among others.
Para ho maging komportable ang paglalakbay ng ating mga turista, marami na ho tayong tourist rest area ngayon sa iba't ibang lugar, hindi lamang sa Luzon, kundi pati Visayas at Mindanao.
The Philippine Experience Program now features immersive tours and experiences spanning 32 provinces, 31 cities, and 51 municipalities across our islands.
Quality matters. Our Filipino brand of service excellence has upscaled over 345,000 tourism frontliners, raising hospitality standards nationwide.
our work covers promotion, cultivating creative business-to-business relations, inviting the world to come love the Philippines.
Ensuring that tourism benefits reach every region and every Filipino.
Sa turismo, may trabaho. Sa turismo, may asenso.